Ready to elevate your praise groove with these 5 praise bass lines? Well, today we will be diving into 5 powerful praise bass lines you can randomly use to any praise songs, and also that you can trust to bring your praise groove to life. So if you're interested, you want to level up your play on praise, I recommend you watch this video and learn these 5 bass lines. If you're also new to this YouTube channel, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So now let's look at the first praise bass line. Let me break it down for you easily. So you'll be starting from the 4th progression. Waiting, I go give to you 4. You'll now be sliding to the 1, 4. Then you octave 4. Okay, waiting, I go give to you. So you now be descending to the 3. From 4, 3, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4. So you go to the 3 with this passing note. 4, 1, 3. Then you groove on the 3, 3, 3. Now you be going to your 6, 2. So this is your 5, 6, 2. So 5, 6, 2. Then you slide to your 6. Then 5 and 1 progression. I did a groove over there. So 6, 6, 2, 2. Then you have your 4 below your 1, octave 1. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 5. Then to the root note, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Then you continue with the groove. So if you learn it very well on this side, you can also bring it to the higher note. But try to master it so that you can be flowing around. When you go to your 3, 4, 4, 4, 1, 3, don't play the 3 again. Continue 7, 7, 3, 3, 5, 6, 2. Okay, 6, 6, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. So now let's look into the second bass line. I'll say it is a twin to this first bass line. So it's just like the first one, but a little changes will come in. Okay, so waiting, I go 4. So now you not be sliding to, no, you have to slide to your 2 now. The first one you slide on the 1, so now you're going to the 2, 2, 2. The first bass line you plucked the octave on the 4. Now you're going to the 6, 4, 2, 2, 6, 6. Then now you're going to your 3, the normal passing note. Okay, 4, 1, 3. Then now you will slide into your 6. Then 3, 3. Okay. Then now you will go into the 2. So 5, 6, 2. 6, 6, 2, 2. Then back to the 1. So this contains 5 progression and 1 progression. So you can also do. Okay, so it goes like this: 5, 6, 1, 5, 1. You can decide to climb to the 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, or you can groove on the 1, then 3, 4. Or So you can be mixing the first bass line to the second bass line, just like this. So now let's look to the third bass line. Third one, very interesting. So now you know be playing 4, waiting I go give to 4. Now you'll be doing on a 6, 4. Okay, so you can do waiting I go give papa. So you do it like this. 6, you have your 6 here and your 4. Now you'll be going to the 3 progression. Waiting I go give to you. 6, 7, 2. So learn this. So 6, 7, then 2. 2 sharp 3, 3. Now to your 2 progression. Then to your 5 and 1 progression. 5, 6, 7, 1, 1. Waiting I go give 2. So now let's dive into the 4th bass line. Is 2 ways. The first one, so you'll be starting from the middle note, like we are playing 3 notes. So the middle note, okay. So you start from, let's say you're on progression 4, you start from the 1, then you come to the 4. So 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4. So when you understand it, you can take it to any progression. So 1, 4, 4, 4, 4. I think you do a ghost note there. So 1 ghost note, 1, 4, 4. Okay, 1, 4, 4, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4. Now to the 3 progression. I recommend you bring it here. So with a 3, you'll be going to the 6. So you won't play that 3 in that 2 bass lines. Okay. So that 6 progression is where you'll be playing the second bass line. So the first bass line, the second bass line. So now to the 3, the first bass line. You go to the 6 and play the second bass line. 7, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 6, 6. Then to the 2 progression, 6, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then 2, 5, 5. Then 5, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. So you can just learn this and mix them up. So now let's look to the last bass line. That's on the 4 progression. 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 4, 4. Now if you go into the 3 progression, 1, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 3. Now to your 2 and 5 progression. Okay, so that is 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5. Then to your 1 progression, 1, 3, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 2, 3. When you are learning this, try to take it slow. So with this 5 bass line, you'll be able to play to any simple random African praise song you meet out there. Okay, just master these 5 bass lines. I'll be bringing more lessons to African praise like this and more bass lines attached to it. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next lesson. Bye for now.